3 skills to get a boyfriend. First of all, I want to tell you welcome and please subscribe to my channel and activate notifications because I will upload such interesting materials every day. If you are wondering what skills to get a boyfriend you need to have, the first thing you need to do is consider what you want a boyfriend for. No, this isn't a stupid question. The way you go about finding a guy might depend on what you are looking for in a relationship. Frankly, you will do things differently if you are looking for Mr. Right than you might if you were just looking for Mr. Right now. While I don't recommend lowering your standards ever, you may not worry too much if you're just looking for someone to hang out with rather than a potential long-term partner. For this article, I'm going to assume that you're looking for someone that may turn into someone special. The advice I'm about to give you is going on that assumption. It's not that these tips can't work for a more casual boyfriend, they can and do, it's just that you shouldn't use anything less than these tactics if you want your relationship to go the distance. Here you go. 1. For the love of all that's good, be yourself. We all know that when we first meet someone we put our best foot forward, and that's okay. What you absolutely don't want to do is put on a false front. It's one thing to remember to always say please and thank you and not burp in front of Mr. Who knows when you first meet him, but it's something else entirely to completely change the way you act. For example, when you first meet someone, don't say you like to bowl if you don't. Don't say you like martial arts movies if you don't. And don't say you hate going to museums if you really love to go. The point is that you'll never let him get to know the real you if you aren't acting like the real you. Be yourself. 2. Don't go overboard with the compliments. If you think he has a great smile, then tell him that, but don't hang on his every word like you just met Johnny Depp. It's one thing to be attentive, it's quite another to be a cling-on. Be sincere in your praise and don't overdo it. 3. Don't just sit around letting him do all the talking. For one thing, if the guy is happy spending the whole night talking about himself, he may be too self-absorbed to ever be a good match for you. If he doesn't like to do all the talking, he'll get bored if you don't contribute to the conversation. Learn how to give and take in a conversation so that you can each get to know the other. The truth is there aren't really special skills to get a boyfriend. If you want a relationship built on attraction, mutual interests, and trust, which is the best way to make sure it will last, then just follow the hints I've given you and you'll be just fine. Enjoy and thank you for watching this video.